Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use an uppercut bag. First, understand that an uppercut bag is specifically designed for practicing upward-angled punches, unlike a traditional heavy bag. Begin by standing about an arm's length away, with your feet shoulder-width apart and your dominant foot slightly back. Maintain a balanced, athletic stance, keeping your knees slightly bent. This foundational position is crucial for generating power and stability throughout your training session. Focus on your posture before throwing any punches. Now, let's master the uppercut punch mechanics. Position your hand with your palm facing you and drive the punch upward, rotating your wrist at the point of impact. The power should originate from your legs and hips, twisting through your core as you extend your arm. Aim for the lower to middle section of the bag, visualizing your target. Ensure your elbow stays tucked in initially, then extends fully but not locked. This technique maximizes force and minimizes strain on your joints. Next, integrate your uppercuts into dynamic combinations and fluid footwork. Try a classic 1-2 straight punch followed immediately by an uppercut or a hook uppercut sequence. Practice moving around the bag, using small, controlled steps to create new angles for your strikes. Don't forget defensive maneuvers, slip a phantom punch, then counter with an uppercut. This approach makes your training more realistic and improves your overall boxing rhythm and agility. Finally, let's discuss advanced drills and essential safety. Incorporate interval training, such as 3-minute rounds of intense punching, followed by 1 minute of active rest, for improved stamina. Always wear proper hand wraps and well-fitting boxing gloves to protect your hands and wrists from impact. Remember to warm up thoroughly before starting and cool down with stretches afterward. Prioritizing safety ensures a productive and injury-free training experience, allowing you to progress effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.